Namaste students. I hope you are enjoying the work being sent to you and also you are doing the activities which are accompanying the work. So in this class we are going to continue block number 9, our teeth. Previously you studied about structure of tooth and different types of teeth. In today's class you will learn differentiation between temporary and permanent tooth, functions of different teeth and ways of taking care of teeth. For now, children, just wear your thinking cap and start thinking the answer to the following few questions. You may get the answer by the end of the class. When do we get our teeth? How many teeth do you have? And what did we eat when we had no teeth? Think of it. So we already know these 4 kind of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now in today's class, we'll learn about temporary and permanent teeth. So temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth, deciduous teeth or primary teeth we can say. So we start getting these primary teeth when we are around the age of 6 months and till 2 years. We get complete jaw till 2 years. There are 20 in numbers. And after that they start falling off and we get our permanent teeth. We all know that we have faced that period in our life. So primary teeth are smaller in size and they are white here. Permanent are bigger in size and they start appearing around the age of 6 years. And once they fall, they never grow back. This is one thing that you have to remember about permanent tooth. So here is the difference, children. Go through the difference. It's very easy. You already know that. Now it's observation time. Just eat a slice of apple and carrot and observe which teeth you are using for biting and tearing, chewing and grinding. You can see in this table which teeth has which function. To know more, see this video.
They all are same and have sharp edges to cut and bite the food. So, they are known as cutting teeth. They work like scissors and hence are called as incisors. On each side of incisors in each jaw, there are sharp pointed teeth that are used for tearing the food like a fork. They are 4 in all. They are called canine teeth or tearing teeth. Premolars are broad and flat and act as nut crackers. They are next to canines, 4 in each jaw. They are known as cracking teeth. Molars are broader than the premolars. They are used for grinding the food. Their job can be compared to mortar and pestle used for grinding. There are 6 molars in each jaw. We should grind up food until it's small enough to swallow. They are known as grinding teeth. So as we saw, each type of tooth has a special shape so that it can do its job properly.
So children, we need different teeth for eating different kinds of food. Though premolars and molars we need for eating all kind of food because they are used for chewing. But incisors and canines have their specific functions. Like incisors we need for biting anything. It could be biting a soft food or a hard food or a normal food. Incisors are used in that. But canines are mostly used for tearing hard food, especially non-veg. You must have seen in most of the animals canines are very sharp because they eat non-veg. So canines are used for tearing hard food. So now children, it's activity time. Once again, draw the following table in your notebook and write the answers. You can see the table. You have to draw this table. Instead of drawing the pictures, you can write the names as well of the food items shown. So now we learn how to take care of our teeth. Though we are learning since beginning, since our childhood, but it's very important to know that. It's very important for us. Brush all your teeth at least twice a day. Spend 3 minutes in brushing. Use floss. Visit the dentist twice. Avoid sugary drinks and beverages and snacks. Use a good mouthwash. We all are hearing this, but we have to follow this. So these are few pictures showing cavity. Plaque is this yellow layer. Cavity we all know that, we are all aware of. Gums are the flesh in which teeth are embedded. Then floss is this thread which is used to clean in between the teeth. These are the important terms that you have to learn. Okay, let's recap. A very short and quick recap, children. So in this block, in today's class, we have studied about differences between primary and permanent tooth, different types of teeth and their functions, and ways to take care of our teeth. Now this is a question, this is a hot question, children. You have to think and write the answer in your notebook. These are the answers to the questions which were asked in the last class. You can recheck your work. If you have any doubt, you can see the answers. Thank you, children. If you have any doubt, any query, you can record, text or call me. Thank you.